Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making the basics match. Sign into the same Apple ID and confirm two-factor authentication. Once done, trust the other device. Next, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff on both devices. These let discovery and continuity features work. Make sure they're close, about 10 meters, and plugged in if possible to avoid sleep. Finally, open System Settings on your Mac and iPad to the AirPlay and handoff area. This gets you into the first actionable controls needed to pair and use Sidecar or Universal Control. Now pick which feature fits your workflow and enable it. On your Mac, open System Settings, then Displays or AirPlay. Choose your iPad from the device list to start Sidecar or Universal Control. On the iPad, accept the prompt. When using Sidecar, choose Use as Separate Display to extend your desktop rather than mirror it. For Universal Control, make sure Allow your cursor and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad is checked once enabled. Arrange displays visually in the Mac settings to match real. Finish by checking how displays behave. Set mirror, extend, or use shared cursor and tweak resolution on your Mac so text is sharp. To end a session, use the Mac Control Center for screen mirroring or the sidecar icon in the menu bar. You can also simply close the iPad app. If something goes wrong, try the classic triage. Restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and sign out, then back into your Apple ID. This clears pairing glitches and reestablishes continuity connections quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.